Tinnitus sufferers know the frustration all too well. The constant ringing, buzzing, or hissing that never seems to stop. Most people are told there's no cure, just ways to cope. But what if relief was possible? Zeneara is designed to target the root cause of tinnitus, helping to quiet the noise and restore peace of mind. Tinnitus isn't just a hearing issue. It's linked to inflammation, nerve damage, and disrupted brain signals. Zeneara contains science-backed ingredients that help support nerve health, reduce inflammation, and promote a calm auditory system. Users have reported a noticeable reduction in ringing, improved focus, and better sleep without relying on medications. Most doctors say tinnitus can't be fixed, just managed. But what if I told you that new research has uncovered a way to support auditory nerve function and significantly reduce ringing? Instead of just masking the problem, Zeneara works to address tinnitus at its source. For David, tinnitus wasn't just an annoyance, it was ruining his life. It started after a loud concert in his early 30s, just a slight ringing in his ears. But as the years passed, it got worse. The noise never stopped. It was always there, drowning out conversations, making it impossible to focus, and keeping him awake at night. He tried everything: white noise machines, prescription medications, even meditation. Nothing worked. One night, after another sleepless evening filled with frustration, David went searching for something, anything that could help. That's when he discovered the groundbreaking research behind Zeneara. Studies had found that tinnitus wasn't just a random condition. It was linked to chronic inflammation and damaged nerve signals in the brain. Zeneara was formulated to support nerve function, repair damaged cells, and help the brain quiet the overactive signals causing the ringing. Skeptical but desperate, David decided to try it. Within 2 weeks, something changed. The ringing wasn't as sharp anymore. His focus improved. By the end of the first month, for the first time in years, he had a full night of restful sleep. David finally felt like he had control again. His anxiety faded. Conversations felt normal. And the relentless noise that had ruled his life was no longer the loudest thing in his head. The truth is, tinnitus isn't just something you have to live with. If you address the underlying causes, nerve function, inflammation, and brain signal disruption, relief is possible. Zeneara is not just another masking solution. It's designed to help support healthy auditory function and restore balance to the brain's sound processing system. If you're tired of the endless ringing, struggling to focus, and losing sleep, it's time to take control. Zeneara is backed by science and designed to help support auditory nerve health for real, lasting relief. Don't wait another day. Try Zeneara and experience the silence you've been longing for. Click the link in the description below to try Zeneara and experience relief. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.